What if the luxury bag you admire hides a story most people never see? Welcome to Process Insight, where we uncover how the world's most fascinating products are really made. Today, we're stepping inside a world few ever witness, a place where raw reptile hide is transformed into some of the most expensive fashion items on Earth. This is the real journey behind crocodile leather. Every luxury product has a beginning, and here it starts with something raw, tough, and completely natural. Crocodile skin is unlike any other material in the fashion industry. It's known for its durability, unique scale patterns, and unmatched texture, making every piece one of a kind. But before it becomes a luxury item, it goes through an intense transformation process. The raw hide arrives at the facility, where it is first carefully inspected. Workers examine every inch, checking for imperfections, scars, and overall quality. Only the highest-grade skins move forward, because in luxury fashion, perfection isn't optional, it's expected. Before anything else, the skin must be cleaned and preserved. This stage is critical. The hides are treated to remove impurities and prepare them for further processing. Special techniques are used to ensure the material remains strong while becoming more workable. At this point, the material still feels rigid and rough, far from the smooth, polished leather seen in stores. But this is where science begins to reshape nature.
Now comes one of the most important stages, tanning. This is where the raw skin is transformed into leather. Through a carefully controlled process involving advanced chemistry and precise timing, the hide is stabilized and preserved. The goal? To create a material that is flexible, durable, long-lasting. This process can take several weeks because rushing it would compromise quality. Here, patience defines luxury. Once the leather is ready, it moves into the coloring phase. This is where creativity meets engineering. Using specialized dyes, the leather is given its signature color, from deep blacks and rich browns to bold, vibrant tones. But it's not just about color. The texture is carefully enhanced to highlight the natural scale patterns, the very feature that makes crocodile leather so desirable. Each piece is unique. No two patterns are ever the same. That exclusivity is what drives its value. Next comes precision. Using advanced tools and in some cases laser-guided systems, the leather is cut into exact shapes. Every cut matters because even a small mistake can ruin an entire piece. The most visually appealing sections are reserved for the most prominent parts of the final product, like the front of a handbag. This is where craftsmanship and planning come together. Now, the product begins to take shape. Skilled artisans step in to assemble the pieces. Every stitch is placed with care, not just for strength, but for perfection in appearance. Luxury isn't mass-produced, it's crafted. The interior lining, reinforcement layers, and structural elements are added to ensure durability and functionality. This stage combines human skill, years of experience, and extreme attention to detail, because in high-end fashion, even the smallest flaw is unacceptable.
This is where the transformation becomes visible. The leather is polished to achieve that signature glossy finish. The scales are enhanced, refined, and balanced. The goal is simple: to create a product that looks flawless under any light. At this point, what was once raw material now reflects luxury, precision, and design. Before leaving the factory, every item goes through strict quality checks. It is tested for strength, durability, water resistance. Because luxury isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Only products that meet the highest standards move forward. Anything less is rejected. Once approved, the products are packaged and prepared for shipment. They are sent to high-end fashion brands and luxury retailers across the world. From factory floors to designer showrooms. From raw material to status symbol.
But here's the truth most people don't think about.
Luxury isn't just about design or branding, it's about process. Time, precision, craftsmanship, and materials all come together to create something exclusive. Every product carries a story, a journey of transformation hidden behind a polished surface. A single luxury crocodile leather bag can cost over $40,000. Some designs require multiple hides to achieve perfect symmetry, and the full production process can take weeks, sometimes longer. From raw beginnings to refined perfection, this is how one of the world's most exclusive materials is transformed. And while the final product may look simple, the process behind it is anything but. This video is created using advanced AI-generated visuals and storytelling techniques to help you better understand complex industrial processes. If you found this journey fascinating, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Process Insight for more deep dives into how the world is really made.